Hello my friends, welcome to Training BKS. Today is 29th of June 2024. So US PC numbers came out not bad. So today is Saturday. We went to look at the global market. Very important now because all is high. Okay, we look at the PCE. Actually quite good. Okay, 0.3, expect 0.3 drop to 0.1. I mean last time is 0.3. They expect the monthly one drop to 0.1. So it did drop to 0.1. It's good but the US didn't rebound. US market didn't rebound. Okay, I think there is a few factor Okay, a few factor. Okay, one factor could be this Bostic. I think the Fed governor, one of the Fed governor Bostic, I think came out one day before the PCE saying that they will follow follow the existing plan. Only one rate cut this year. Also, this is not good because this is just 1 or 2 days before the PCE. So, and also this PCA even the public get it, let's say on Friday. Normally all these VIP I mean this Fed, all these people they get it slightly earlier one. So before he make the speech, he could have already got the PCE price numbers, So that is one dent to the rally Second rally could be US Democrat Party. The US investors still stone after the performance of President Biden. So he looked very how to say that, he looked weak he looked weak, and he's talking also mumbling. So those things that this debate are supposed to show that he is still very strong. He's still capable of become the president, or he's still mentally he's still very strong. But the result opposite so all those things that he should not show, okay, means the talking, the mumbling during the speech, he mumble, people can't hear what he's saying, and people also don't understand what he's saying, the mumbling, and he look weak also. All these things are supposed to, even during this debate he's supposed to come out and show that he's the boss, he's strong, but after the debate, the effect is the balik so he looks extremely weak and Trump is Trump okay, he just like that normal okay. So but this you see president debate normally okay, presidential debate normally not so soon or during the election, near the election so this one is for Biden to come out to show that he's the boss but he feel miserably and the second thing, he got you see he took 1 week off okay, to go to certain place they call it a camp okay, to train for this to train for this debate to train for this debate. So he took 1 week off to train for this debate but also came out like this so now the US very worried the US, and I hear a lot of Democrat people asking to change the candidate change the candidate, and but President Biden say he will continue but after the debate he also came out and did a speech. He did very well. See, it's a different person during this debate. He was stuck all the time. A lot of time you see he's stuck talk. He's stuck. He don't know he very difficult to find the word to continue okay, continue the next sentence I'm not saying he's bad or what but when you are 80 over years old, I mean for him 80 over years old can perform like that is really good I mean Trump is still slightly younger than him but he looks a bit more fitter but for Biden, he 81, he still can do this, still considered very good but Ton M 90 over can do this is that one is out of the world, out of this world so also he still can do that but maybe I mean they are asking too much for the 80 over year old the public, the people, the US, the Democrat is asking too much for 80 over years old so it's hard to see people, all the news saying it's very hard to see pity him he should be enjoying life with the children, going for holiday okay, rather than taking on the hardest job in the world the president of the biggest economy, and the president, people say the leader of the free world so taking that position so people, US people are still shocked, Democrat is still shocked. I think a lot of this, a lot of this Goldman Sachs, all this a lot of bank in US, all is pro Biden one. So I mean all the big investors also all stone. I don't know what to do lah. Possibly lah, just telling the story lah. Possibly lah. So let's see how to progress lah. So there's possibility they might even want to change the candidate lah. But too late already lah. It's too late already lah. But who knows lah. Okay, disclaimer first.
Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs.
After the debate, President Biden went to this rally, and this Donald Trump also of course, okay. So but during the rally, right, he speak very well, you know. But you know lah, people saying lah, during the rally he got earphone, people telling him, and also got the screen, the teleprompter, what to say. So he did very. But when he's alone, worry lah. People say very worried lah. The US people after that, after watching the debate, they're very worried. Okay. I mean, you know, now especially they are, you know lah, US, right, trade war with China, then have to go war, have to interfere, war in Middle East, have to interfere with war in Ukraine, you know, all this so they need a very strong leader lah. But Biden didn't manage to show that yesterday lah. So but pity him lah. He should be, you know, should be in Italy, Venice, enjoying life lah. Okay, okay. Rather than still want to go for all this. You see, now it's only this. Then they really after when they're near to the election, he has to go many places to give speeches, you know, to get the vote, you know. So he have to so don't know he can tahan or not. Last time, you know, he really fainted, right? Because she need to go many places to do the get this a rally, right? Okay, many rally to talk. Trump last time, remember one day he did two some more. Then the next day he did another one. So every day he go every day. That's why he win. Hillary didn't go so much. Hillary did also, but not as many as Trump. That's why Trump. You know, when you're hardworking people will support you lah. Hillary also, but Hillary even fainted right during the after a few rallies, right? So not easy lah. Some more now Biden have to go through that lah. Pity him lah, really. Trump different. Trump loves to go to the speech. Love to go to the speech, hunt some people. That is what he like to do lah. He very happy. He good. Where is what he like lah. So okay lah. Let's look at don't enough talk lah. Later you scold me again lah. Too much talk, too much story lah. Okay, BURSA. Okay. KLCI. Okay, KLCI we got a dodgy kind of pin bar, dodgy like a pin bar lah. But this is still a bit positive lah. A bit positive lah. A bit positive. Okay. Because we got this pin bar, so it's kind of dodgy pin bar lah. So this is not a clear pin bar. Let me see. This is not a clear pin bar lah. It looks like a dodgy to me. Okay. Yeah, almost a dodgy lah. Okay. So but still slightly positive lah. Because the tail here is longer lah. So the what happened was that price goes up, okay, the bulls push it up, but then the bear push it down. At the end of the day, the bulls still manage to push it back up here lah. Okay, so yeah, so they still manage to look at the daily lah. They still manage to put, but it's still sideways lah. This is not much of a direction lah. You ask me lah. So we have to wait lah next week. Okay, I can say it's slightly positive lah. Slightly positive because the Friday end a bit positive lah. So I can say still slightly positive lah. Okay, so it might have a chance to go back up lah. So the bears are still slightly stronger lah. Look at this. Okay, so I mean the bulls are still slightly stronger lah because at the end of the day the bulls managed to push it up lah. Okay, so but for me the most important lah, I think is this channel. Okay, until it break through this channel in the daily chart, okay, which is 1006, this 1006. If it break out 1006, then I think it still can go higher. Okay, if it doesn't, if it still go a bit higher but it does not go through 1006, come back down, means it's still long term, it's still in a downtrend. It's still in a downtrend. So we have to, this is most important. This channel most important. This channel. Okay, if it break out, means it make a flat pattern, very good continuation pattern, right? So if it cannot break through, break out, probably long term it's still coming back down. Okay, look at Ace market, you see all got some support lah, just like KLCI. Friday got a pin bar here, so this one still got chance to go higher. Next week look at mid cap. Mid cap also we got a pin bar here, so there is a chance that it still can push higher. Okay, look at small cap. Small cap we also still got not actually a pin bar, or we got a tail bar, but still okay because evening the price goes back up. I mean late in the week lah. Okay, so there is some positive here lah. Okay, look at construction. Okay, construction we got a mother and son lah. In the weekly, so it's sideways lah. Actually, we have to wait lah. But they're really quite high lah. All these lah. I'm not very keen to chase unless KLCI break through the flat pattern. Then maybe I will chase. Even KLCI a bit, I said lah, a bit disconnect lah. But still its influence is still there lah. Only not as fast lah. Okay. So this one, if it can break out, maybe still can go lah. Okay. Look at this. Consumer came back to support already 581. So maybe there's a push there. You see, already got a tail there lah. Some support. Energy, I think sideways lah. Or going down or sideways, not so strong. Finance, we got some support here and see how it goes lah. Okay, you got some support here at 117.443 for 17,000. So you got some support. Maybe there's a small push up there. Still can go higher, as I said lah. If it can hold here 17,740, 443, maybe still can. Industry not so good. We got the bearish pattern here, then continue to go down. Healthcare, okay, healthcare got some support at this trend line. At this trend line. Okay, you have to see whether it can break up from the channel or not. You go to the daily chart, right? There's a channel here. Okay, you go to the daily chart, there's a channel. This is a weekly chart. The channel. If you can break above channel, especially break above 2235, double bottom, maybe it can go higher. Okay, look at plantation dropping, but got some support here. Maybe there's a small rebound. Okay, property also doesn't look so good. Two red candle, got some support here. 1066 lah. Okay, but because got divergence, doesn't look so good. Read must hold 822. So we got a tail here. So there is this cup and holder lah, cup and handle. So as long as stay above the cup hold handle here, so it should be okay. 822. Technology we got drop, but got some support here at 74. I'll see what happen lah. Okay. So if next week drop below 74, you want to drop below 66, 69. But look like there's some support over here lah. Okay, at 74. Okay, maybe can have a small rebound. But we got double top here lah, not so good lah in the daily. I think the possibility of going down, I think quite high lah. Okay, telco also we got a tail here. Telco we got a tail. Look at the daily. So there's a rebound, but you see it still need to face this downtrend channel that it broke, a downtrend trend line that it broke through. So unless it can break above, probably it will still got stuck there and then come back down lah. Okay, transportation dodgy, no direction. We have to wait for direction next week. Utilities, okay, utilities we got support here. We got a tail bar here, so maybe still can go higher. So because it didn't not yet drop below 151,756, I got support here lah. Okay, if we can break a bit higher, then maybe can go. If we next week it drop below 1756, probably not more. So for me most important thing next week is to watch the KLCI daily chart. Okay, see whether it can break out 1,006. 1,006 breakout, I think it's I want to go. Okay, if 1,006, okay, if it come to 1,006, come back down, then probably the downtrend will remain, continue. Okay, let's check out the US market. Before that, short message first. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a reminder, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, then Luno. You want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using, you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link. Okay, let's check out global US dollar index. US dollar index is still quite strong. No doubt we got a drop on Friday, but still, I mean, the pattern is still strong. Higher high, higher low, so it's still quite strong. Look at the Bitcoin in this channel coming back down. So Bitcoin for me, this type of consolidation for me is okay because it's still a bull fact. I don't like those consolidation like that. If that happen, it's even worse, right? Like that. Or like that. Normally it will start to drop. This is actually is a good, healthy, for me it's a healthy bull flag. Normally like that, consolidate, breaks up. If it breaks above, it's going higher. But have to wait not so soon. Now red color also no more already. So probably it's gonna drop even lower. Ethereum same thing downtrend channel. Like although no need to say talk still all sliding down. Okay. Somewhere you see this Solana, we got head and shoulder, right? Head and shoulder. So looks like the drop not yet finished It break through. If we come to here, if we cannot stay above 160, right? Okay, you got rejected here, so probably the head and shoulder. Okay, we proceed okay, to the head and shoulder target Okay, so I measure a bit the target will be around here around 33 33. Also may drop to 33 but if we can stay above 160, it's okay if we can break above 160, stay above 160, it's okay, or stay above here, it's okay But if we get rejected here, I think it might drop. Solana, all these are quite very volatile. Once it drop very fast. Bitcoin drop 10%, maybe it drop 30, 20, 30, 40%, 20, 30% higher. Okay. Avalanche. So all these will drop even lower. Okay, but I'm not saying gonna drop you need to hold In your Avalanche, Solana can hold 122, and Avalanche will drop already. Also not so good. So I think there's a chance that there's a possibility that the bull market finish already. There is a possibility, but as I said, previous cycle, okay, after halving, 1 year after halving, it make another high. Okay, means make the highest top. But that one without BT, no ETF. But this time got ETF, maybe is it possible it really goring during the ETF no more next cycle. I mean no more goring after 1 year. Nobody knows but hopefully We follow the previous cycle. It happened like this. Hopefully, it will continue like this. But it continue like this, then it might have another, after 1 year, after halving, it might have another higher high. But I mean, another peak. But there's no guarantee. But Bitcoin, this consolidation for me is okay. Okay. Look at the index Hang Seng. Hang Seng dropping. Coming back to this 17 to A50 China. Also, A50 China not so good. Already broke below 12,002 already. The head and shoulder, the shoulder area. So not so good. China looks like the stimulus from the government. I mean the support from the government. The stimulus already finished. Already the strength. So probably still come back lower. Probably might even drop even lower. Okay, look at Australia. Australia sideways. Nikkei Japan break up. So Nikkei Japan maybe can go higher. Okay, we got a flat pattern here, broke up, maybe can go to 42,000. Singapore STI also trying to climb higher. So you can break above this channel and break above 3386. Goes above 3386, maybe STI will have another run up. Okay, STI, you see the red color also more and more. So looks there's a potential. UK already very high now, coming back down to 8,000. Looks like German DAX already hit our target. Remember we draw a target here. Remember this flat pattern? I told you, right? This flat pattern, a breakout, it's time to chase in until here. So we hit the target now, probably coming back down already. Slowly it's coming back down. Semiconductor index, Philadelphia. So you see, after this, after the PCE, so a lot of these retailer go and jump and go ring, push it up. But at the end of the day, the institution are selling. That's why I show you in Nasdaq what happened. Okay, Nasdaq. You see why there's a tail at the top. A lot of time when good news come out, institution will sell the news. Because there is enough buyer during that time. Normal day you want to throw, institution want to throw a bit, the market already big drop already. But during this time, they throw a lot, the market will not drop a lot because a lot of people buying. So PC is good. Okay, so a lot of the retail start to buy up. You see there's a tail. Okay, they start to buy up. But then institutions start to offload. Low until coming back down. You see, until not enough buyers to continue push the market, and they red. So institutions are actually what happened. Okay, after the PCE, the retail buy, but institutions sell until here. So there is a lot selling by institution. Okay, same thing to S&P, you can see, right? Why we get this type of pattern? So the price go up, retail normally buy in, and retail volume is never gonna beat institution. So at the end of the day, institution keep on selling, so it end up with a bear pattern. So this is all the retail go and trade the news. They go and chase the news. They see good news, they all jump in, thinking that the market gonna fly. So all get what? Crushed, right? The price goes down. So they buy up, their stop loss is over here. So their stop loss is over here. All kena lah. Okay, so they buy up, right? Stop loss over here. It initially went up, everybody very happy. Oh, I want to make a ton of money. But then at the closing hour, in the evening, all came down, finished, all gonna crush. That's why I don't trade the news. Dow Jones also you see pin bar, but pin bar happening on a sideways is not very strong, but it's still a pin bar nonetheless. Russell also try to go up, but at the end of the day also being pushed down a bit. Nifty India, okay, India is strong. After Modi didn't manage to get majority, big drop. But then after the new government, no form or not maybe they negotiate the new government, but looks solid looking at the chart, very strong. Didn't affect the market that much. Aluminium coming down, commodity aluminium not good lower low already So I think aluminium long term is coming down. Still even worse Steel index dropping like crazy. Steel price head and shoulder, looks like trying to form head and shoulder. And this China industry metal also not breakout also not like keep on heading higher so not so strong. Okay, let's look at FCPO also unable to stay inside the channel lah. Also not so good. Copper may keep on coming down. Might got some support here, but doesn't look good lah. After this big drop okay, doesn't look so. Red color also no more. Look at gold. Okay, gold is dropping lah. Okay, gold I know tell you a story lah. I'm not saying that it must happen lah. On Saturday we talk about story. Okay, there is this. I hear this one of this analyst he say when US is in bull market, right? Okay, gold will follow normally. We go higher. US higher, the stock market higher, gold will higher. But a lot of time when you see gold is still holding at high or it's still going a little bit higher, the US market starting to turn around means we got divergence, right? Okay, then you have to be careful already. Because a lot of time when this happen, right, gold is still going, the market is dropping, US market is dropping, is a lot of time the bull market end like that. You say a bull market end like that. After a while, right, after a few months, right, you see gold will follow. Why? Because a lot of these investor, this fund, okay, who is buying the market up, okay, who is buying the market up, who is long on the market, right, okay, get their margin call. So what they do, okay, they have to take out the investment in the gold to cover up, okay, to cover the margin call. So then the gold will follow it down. So when you see if this start to gold is still sideways or still going higher, but the US market starting to drop, you have to be careful, especially when the US market is very high. It's very high. I mean, this is just what I just give you a kind of not to say a warning just a heads up that this could happen so you have to take note okay, when this happen in the US market, you have to be careful okay. Silver is coming down in the channel. Okay, silver already target already okay. Silver also we got almost like a double top Also it might even drop even lower okay. But we want to look at gold now. Gold is an important one. Whether gold still can go higher and US market starting to keep on sliding, gold still keep on going higher, then you have to be careful already. It could be a market. The market could have a big drop okay. Look at oil. Look at crude oil. Okay, crude oil okay I don't say about 78. I don't think it can go much higher. I think we will be between 78 to 83 around here. If you break 83, maybe you can get 88. Unless you break through 83, then only we talk But still look bearish okay. But it did make a higher high here So maybe sideways if we break above 83, then maybe we think that it's going higher. Okay. Look at US stock, Apple. Remember, like, share, comment. So Apple already broken out already. Apple is quite high. If it's not so high, maybe I also want to change. But $239, wow, so expensive. But of course, in US you can buy one share Not like Malaysia. Malaysia you have to buy 100. So we can buy one share. Okay. So this one maybe as long as stay above 199 is okay. Still got chance to go to 239. If it drop below 199, you have to be careful. AMD 173 is having a downtrend channel, but it already make a higher low. So if it break above 173, it's making a higher high. So AMD might be coming back. So you have to take note. Okay, if we stay above 173, we might get a uptrend channel back. Okay. So AIM before drop first rebate scoring because of announcement of AI. Now I think probably come back to 118 You want to try. Broadcom. You see all these semiconductor dropping not so good okay, because who is pushing the US market? Why the US market is so strong? Because AI consists of software, hardware, right? These are all hardware related because Broadcom, all these okay, they use their memory chip, all these things all their chip are used in this AI even though about the main chip is from NVIDIA people use, but all the other chip also all got connected Broadcom are modem kind of but also Broadcom doing most of the time. I think it's a modem, this 4G, all those so but it got connection okay, got connection okay. AMD, okay, Amazon broke out, but then we got bearish, quite a bearish signal So as long as hold 190, okay, if we drop below 190, you have to be careful because it got a triangle pattern Alibaba still dropping Alibaba difficult because their business, they got a lot of competition in China now last time Alibaba is the king of this online, looking for this China supplier online, all these things and AliExpress, all those but now he got a lot of challenges okay. Google also 179, you can hold 179, okay, but you cannot hold 179, you have to be careful Grab coming back down. Intel is holding at between 29 and 32. So Intel is in the sideways pattern, nothing much happening. So if you got join my class, right, you know these are big company. The longer nothing happening, once it start to break out, it will normally be very strong. Means there's some big news coming. So now just leave it So it's could be making a bottom. If we got a big volume breakthrough 33, they might got some big new announcement coming. It might have a big. The longer it hold flat, right, the stronger the breakout. I mean, after the breakout, the stronger the momentum. Okay, normally because nothing interesting, but when it start to move, means something big is coming maybe AI, all these things we never know Meta also, unless you make a higher high here, 531, still have to be careful could be double top. Microsoft already break higher, so it might come back and test the support here. 433 is hold above 433 rebound. Okay, if we drop below 433, you have to be careful. Okay. Micron, okay, this is semiconductor. You need semiconductor, all this related in the US. US is goring the market. US market now is so strong because of this semiconductor, AI, technology So Micron was flying but now we got a big sell down. So after the result came out, it's not bad but miss expectation okay. So still Micron is dropping NVIDIA also didn't do so good up through the staircase down through the window one big drop here. Now you still got bearish sign so there's a sign and we got double top here. So there's a possible that it could even come down lower to 96 Qualcomm also you see all the semiconductor, all these are dropping all these are hardware one. Software one still okay, but still we got a sell down we got a bearish on Microsoft, we got a bearish on this excuse me Meta, right? So that's why this institution is running so you have to take note Qualcomm, okay. Qualcomm also dropping okay. Look at Tesla. Tesla different. Tesla, one of my students told me we got a head and shoulder here. Yeah, I said, oh yeah, you got not a beautiful head and shoulder, that's why it didn't go up so fast but it is still a head and shoulder Why head and shoulder is important? Because institution also, they got this chartist, got this expert to see the chart. They will tell them, oh, you see, we got a head and shoulder Tesla. So if I'm a big institution, I say, wow, very clear sign, I will maybe buy more. Not a clear sign like this, not very clear, maybe they will not go in so big like that So that's why it's still, but potential it still can go up a bit because the red color came in a bit. Maybe still can go slightly higher, but this is not a very good sign very strong pattern but I think 230 still possible Zoom we have to wait whether it can reclaim 60. If it reclaim 60, then it's a positive. This will be a false break, then maybe got chance to go up this one maybe they break it below 60 and then go back up means they are replacing the what they call it shake out the weak holders shake out, then they want to push it up, buy at cheap, then they want to push it up. Visa dropping, not so good. Citibank is going up okay, so the higher for longer possible Morgan Stanley is flat, Goldman Sachs flat, JP Morgan is up so looks like higher for longer Boeing now is still not going anywhere, or whether it can break to 190, maybe go higher, but this looks like a bear flag for me. So I still, if it boil drop to 142, 119, I think here is a better price to get but very difficult to drop so low, but who knows now it's still consolidating like this whether it break below or break above break above means this is the lowest already this I mean for now you break below then 142, 119 okay, so that's it. Okay, for today I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.